Enhance image when uploading on Facebook. Most people upload their daily image on Facebook. They have no idea why the image is not sharp at all. It's just simply because the image resolution is not as correct as Facebook requirement. To optimize and resize your image to the suitable Facebook size, SADESIGN panel will help you to do that. Select Batch Auto button. Check on Export Facebook image with 2048 pixels. You can also resize for multiple images at the same time by checking Processing Files from folder. Then select Input folder and Output folder. This tool is time-saving for you. Let's cancel it because we only need to resize current images. Hit Run and wait for the tool to process for you. Go to Image, Image Size, or shortcut Ctrl-Alt-I for Windows or Command-Option-I for Mac OS. Image height is now 2048 pixels and ready for uploading on Facebook without any blur at all. The tool can also recognize horizontal image and vertical image when processing photos. Easy peasy. Sorry, your editing photo solutions.